Boda, bold option defines advantage. Power flows, carbon low is the mission Boda upholds. Nestled along the banks of the Shiki River in Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province, Boda plant is approximately 60 kilometers from Macau. The facility covers nearly 20,000 square meters, featuring spacious workshops and supporting facilities. It allows two 45-foot containers to be loaded simultaneously in the open-air area of the plant. It is equipped with a suite of state-of-the-art professional equipment and 100 regular dedicated staff. CNC turret punching machines, drilling and milling machines, 20 kilowatts high-power laser cutting machines, 400-ton hydraulic press brakes, boring machines, shearing machines, thermal arc welding machines, Fanuc robot arms, Effort robot arms, welding robots, Panasonic wire feeders. Laser rust removal machine. Shot blasting machines. Advanced equipment and machinery merely form the foundation, while inspection and testing serve as the dual insurance for quality. Non-destructive testing. Leak testing. Thread inspection. Chromer inspection. Dry film thickness depth gauge. Adhesion testing. With frontline workers, technicians, and engineers collaborating to refine every product, Boda ensures safe, prompt, and efficient deliveries through its in-house logistics department operating on the JIT model. For export orders, the dedicated overseas team manages all processes, from container loading to customs clearance, guaranteeing smooth loading, fast clearance, and timely shipment. Every product is meticulously crafted and inspected by our skilled team, with excellence embedded in every step of the process. Notably, none of these achievements would be possible without the backing of our experienced technical team. Boda has been exporting products to over 12 countries and regions. Some of our valued customers are BIA, Kirk, Eaglerise, Minjiang Electric, Sunton, Comking, Ahifa, Alstom, Tiki, Tobold, Napim, Boundary Electric, etc. Let us join hands to pursue a sustainable tomorrow through low-carbon production and green lifestyles.